Hey, good morning and happy Sunday. Happy Christmas Eve. Thanks for joining us on the KOCO Facebook page as well as the Meteorologist Taylor Cox KOCO Facebook page. I can hear my audio this morning, which means that you should be able to hear me as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We've been seeing that rain this morning. Did you guys hear it last night? Do you see it right now on the ground out there? It's wet. The roadways are wet. The grass is wet as well. We've got lots of cloud cover out there on the RVS camera this morning, showing us all of those clouds in Oklahoma City. Now the rain, however, is farther out to the east, and I will show you that. I was actually using a different radar this morning. We have a different one over in the other room. So I'll pull this up for you. Now that rain is farther out to the east, you can see that anywhere from Okmulgee all the way to Henrietta, Salem, Holdenville, Spalding, Maxwell, Lawrence, all seeing some rain this morning. Sulphur, this is just to the east of I-35. There's even just one little shower that could to the west of I-35 here, the only one in the state. Everyone else rain to the east of I-35, and then the rest of us are dry this morning. So we got a really good soaking overnight last night. I saw it, felt it, heard it on my way in this morning. All of those showers bringing some tricky travel. Let me tell you, on the roadways, they were a little bit slick this morning. I hear a cricket very, very faintly. I had to stop. I was like, what is that noise? Okay, let's move on to your predictor. We are talking about a chance to see rain this afternoon. It's a low chance. I'm going to keep it at about a 20% chance for rain. You can see those showers as they move out to the east really hug the I-44 to I-35 corridor there. Anywhere east of that, South I-44 and then I-35, probably going to get rain. Oklahoma City just right on the line there. So could we see another shower this afternoon, this evening? It's definitely possible. Could we stay dry? That's also very possible. If we do see anything, it'll probably be pretty quick, not going to rain for very long here. And then we will see all of this move out to the east after dinner time today. We'll stay dry. I know that we've seen a little bit of snow. Let me see if I can move this. Nope, don't do that. Come on. I'll have to fix that. I know that we've seen a little bit of snow up near Kansas, that it looks like it's trying to move into Oklahoma. You can see that here. Like, it looks like it really wants to move into the Panhandle. I just don't think that's going to happen. Maybe a flurry or two by the Oklahoma-Kansas state line. For the most part, we are going to be snowless, winterless today. Just that rain is all that we're going to see. And that'll move out this evening. And then for tomorrow, look at this. This is the big changes in the forecast here. We have a south wind now, a north wind later on this afternoon. That will be a lot stronger than our south wind, about 20 miles an hour. It's going to be a lot breezier, colder later on this evening as well. Once that north wind hits, you're going to feel the cool down. And then tomorrow morning, temperatures are down into the low 30s. Factor in that strong north wind. That will stay strong through the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow morning, and temperatures feel more like the 20s tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will be back into the 40s. That's a lot colder than what we see today. And that north wind, yes, it'll feel more like the 40s, the low 40s, upper 30s tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures coming, wind speeds coming from the north about 20 miles an hour could gust up to 25 to 30 miles an hour with even stronger winds out to the north and west. This will be the case as we head into the rest of the work week, well, the very beginning of it. So Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe you're headed back to work by that point. We still have that north wind about 20 miles an hour and temperatures in the mid-40s. Overnight lows will be even colder than what we see tomorrow morning in the 20s. And it looks like our overnight lows will stay in the 20s for a good portion of this next week as we head into the first week of January of 2024. Kind of wild, right? That first day is on Monday. It looks like temperatures will be pretty consistent in the 40s through not only next weekend, but also on Monday and Tuesday. There you go. There's your 5+5 day. Do we have any questions this morning? Paul says, good morning. Seth, good morning. Cherry, good morning and Merry Christmas Eve. Have a wonderful Christmas, you as well. Yeah, it's pretty warm for Christmas Eve, but it will feel a lot more like winter tomorrow, temperature-wise, not necessarily in terms of any snow. This is a long ways out, but I'll go ahead and show it to you, giving you the first alert here. We are, hang on. We're watching for some snow, very, very low snow chances here. However, if there were any chances, this is where we'd see them. Come on. Not this week, but next Tuesday. That looks like our next chance for maybe some sort of winter weather to come in. I put a mix on here, you know, like a snow rain mix, because temperatures are above freezing in the afternoon, but overnight temperatures are below freezing in the 20s. So maybe that'll be our next chance. This is January 2nd, 3rd, January 4th. So that first week of January, it looks like we could have a better chance to see some sort of winter-ish weather. There you go. I was looking at the last time we had snow on Christmas, and it was 2 years ago in 2021. I don't know if I remember that. If you would have asked me, I would have said it would have been a lot longer than 2 years ago. I mean, it wasn't a lot of snow. It was like a few flurries. It was like a trace of snow. But the few days leading up to that, we had a little bit more snow on the ground. I got memories in 2021 on like December 22nd or 23rd or something like that, that I was doing snow coverage and we had wrecks and everything across the city. So even though we don't have a white Christmas this year, I'm really glad that we don't have to worry about all of the hazards that come with the snow, especially whenever a lot of people are traveling. Does anyone else remember that? 2021, snow on Christmas. All right, any other graphics this morning that I need to show you? Oh, I'm sleepy. I don't know why. I got great sleep last night. Got some coffee. These are your feel-like temperatures for tomorrow. It's cold. Here you go. Tomorrow morning, 8:30. I hope that the pajamas are fleece-lined because those temperatures are in the low 20s. That's your feel-like temperature. Tomorrow morning. Whew, it's cold out there. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are in the mid-40s, but your feel-like temperature, upper 30s and low 40s. If there was ever a morning to sleep in, it's either this morning with the rain or tomorrow morning with the cold. But I'm a big advocate for sleeping in, you know. You can probably find me with a reason to sleep in every day. Alrighty. Any other questions this morning? Karen asks a great question. Why does it say Happy Thursday? That's a phenomenal question. It says Happy Thursday in the comments. Let me change that for you. That's probably just a preset that we have on there. It's not Thursday, it's Sunday. Maybe that preset was made on Thursday. Let's see. All right, we'll say Merry Christmas Eve instead. Merry Christmas Eve. There you go. Now that's updated. Good catch, Karen. Charlie says Merry Christmas. Yeah, one day away. Anyone have any big Christmas plans? We are celebrating this afternoon. We decorated we had the house decorated yesterday, but we kind of spruced things up yesterday, cleaned up a little bit, having people over this afternoon, so that'll be fun. I'm glad it'll be dry. I'm a little sad. I mean, I know that we needed the rain and I want the rain and everything. I'm a little sad that it's going to be wet outside because whenever I take the dog out, whenever I take Emma out, I just, poor Emma. She wants to go play so bad and she wants to go to the dog park, but it's just a little too muddy. So maybe we'll find a dog park with like fake grass so it's not so muddy. But I dread, coming back and she's got muddy paws. She likes to roll around in the mud, all the fun things. But she does, she's funny. She steps around the puddles, does not like to step in the puddles. Loves to roll around the mud. Does not like to step in the puddles. You gotta love your dogs, They've got their own personality. Lisa says, praying for everyone to have a blessed Christmas. Charlie's ready for Christmas to be over? Is that what you said? Or for the rain to be over? Yeah, Christmas sometimes, stressful time of the year. Absolutely. This whole week, from Thanksgiving to Christmas to this next week and to the first week of the year could be very stressful. Speaking of the first week of the year, it looks like temperatures are cooling down. So we're going to end this week, finally, very, very seasonable in the upper 40s. Ending the year, very seasonable. It's kind of like Oklahoma got its act together and said, all right, instead of this mild, warm December, we'll give you a normal December with temperatures in the 40s. But since we have been so warm, so far we've spent about 21 of our 23 full days of December above average. And since we've been so warm, let me get December. Here we go. We are on track to be the third warmest December on record here in Oklahoma City for this year, for this December. Just some fun facts. Come on. There we go. I can see more of this. So we're talking 2023, December 2023, third warmest. But I bet with it being a little bit cooler over the next few days, that could go down. Still, I think we'll rank top 10 for warmest Decembers on record this year. We'll have to see. We'll let you know on January 1st. Another fun fact here. Hang on. Another fun fact here is that our total rainfall was about a little under an inch as of yesterday. Now, actually, I will get our rainfall totals here before I have to hop off. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering what our rainfall totals are. There you go. Now we got about 1 1/4 inches, so we're above the average that we normally see in January by about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 3/10 of an inch there. Some people got some really good rainfall totals over the last 24 hours, about 2.5 inches near Stillwater, almost 2 inches just to the west of Oklahoma City. I think that may be El Reno, Hinton area. Some people just got some really good rainfall totals. And hey, look, there's the wind of change. We are already seeing that strong north wind. That's going to bring us a big cool down for tomorrow, making it feel a lot colder into tomorrow morning. But I will leave you with this. Here's your 5+5 day. Have a phenomenal Christmas Eve. I'll see you back here, same time, same place tomorrow morning for Christmas.